Akwasi Nsia Commander 6 Kano Senior
Dabia makachos ye fa bi enka ho Dabia makachos ye moye timu kansa mo fanto bi so ye du boni di ne beka sampanin kwada nyina ho beno so che sabio ye nka kasabo amfa nhye yem ye beka asem se ne simitiye o mane kan ko mane puto mane ye yogina nyina ye so medidi Akwasi Nsia Asem Yi Di Ka bre na edresin aloped na ke onkomo kese pa ye di nanu na parliament de ebebo mu na I so unfortunate. I so unfortunate say in parliament you witness a similar one in the 8th parliament, 9th parliament so say another brow. We mra shebe film quick ma mention video bi. And no appointment committee Akwasi Nsia evete the minister designated for communications and MP ojina ma the man for menya for Sam George. Now say after that no say omunite honorable Kwabena Akando, the minister designated for health etwaso. Then the minority raised concerns and the bibrena ko etinebe ya emfa kwhye the next day. Then mentim wasi gidi sorry so quickly share video ni me call so ma share film. Na share ma share ya fo ya to aba eyomo. Okay, ti me pe we ni so be na tokwa kese ni gina no. I think between honorable Tampole ne honorable Dafiamapo. Yes, sa tokwa no any way. Mrashe yafo. Yeah, Ghana for pem. Esa line ko to abade ma omo. E na ma table a ye de o man Ghana sika ato eso because of bentim wase ya see. Na ma kire ba ko ana members of parliament ba ko abo ba ko emene mu. Tokwa gidi because obi say yen fan ko the next day obi so say there be yenya no eno ho mentim ho ase eno no members of parliament of an August house wo eti mame da fiama podie no mame ona wo da fiama podie no ne ona Tampole ntokwa no na wo de yes ti some members of parliament MPs they are members of parliament, the honorable members of parliament. And when you abresa no BBNC yo enye se bia yenkoto yenkoye Ghana akwanya ase nyina ho tina MPC kunye o da bi enye se yenhwe ma inflation mra fom o da bi enye se yenhwe ma dollar against the cedi rate no emra for more there be nya no ntokwa na yeko enye se bia ye hwire make sure say at least akoda bi okọ school bia onwiase bia le yenyi famfiri wo e na wesimiti as wesimiti enye sa ntokwa no moko omoko ntokwa because ba ko si yenyi obi vetin ne ba ko si de bia mfa ko ochina e ho ntokwa na yeko no. These are members of parliament. Yes no Tiso to no wadwun se bia MPs ni tokwa ne nyina ye se empuntu bebo mamu adabi emfa ho kra enyam no enya me honum kra enya wonti no moko nya no kra nti no moko omoko because o se evete presidential nominee bi obisi da bi ya tenemu ache omi emfa nko the next day ayekun aye no yesuni e ban ene di rama shew ye film wonum. The 8th parliament ye hunu be na ke fi se bi koma na sua de e de free mu ma mention aban japade o ma say man pictures no hwe aban japade a ye team free MPB salary mo we see yen man pictures no MPB no ayet de free salary mo hwe ade eti we nyina ese sa fix ana ebe to fra mo yes sir etimi nya adwuma we nyina ya ban japade mam the next one no aban japade and members of parliament yeah e was say omohwe mo man kanko ewie peyo no after nura omugidegide ni nyina ne yede maaye ni ase MPs ebeye say ya tinye nwa say na kimbo ni ATTC di abo ani because wa ebetu yafui eno boda from say team tebe na kimbo ni ATTC fancy ni makwada ketua entam se kan franchise ni college student so be twa no ayani wodi maye nyina it's a parliament of Ghana. Bibia from the 8th parliament. And tokwa brane ya e si ya yo bia condemn ye no o man ye timi asua bibia amfa mfiri mu. Honorable majority leader. Honorable minority leader. How? Eh? Eye day ne sabe true ahanum bi. Eye day. Yes, it is sebi anya no sebi ebru sebi okonto. Eti anya pani ba akokra mo ntimi asora nka se eye. Oh, that be as a film. GSM. Because na ke fi se we de ke ye hunu biem. Say the 8th parliament am for condemn ye no. Na ke fi se ye hunu biem. Eden a vetting, yeah, vetting. A member of parliament or qualify automatic to be a minister. Or qualify automatic or a member of parliament because under Article 94 qualify. Unless there be our criminal charges be against him. Why will it lead to this? Just a dream one to be as many as you. It is not the leadership of the committee, no. The chairman, vice chairman, the ranking member. It mean and commodium kokase okay, baby a year do ye, e be into so, and I say fan coachna. Na yin timi nyane sa. They can say can once more, but otu hu MP wom. O member of parliament. Pese fa show tim se ntokwa na okon nya wo mpuntu 20 wo kon sa ntokwa no. Ntokwa na okon ye no. Enya wo mpuntu 20. Ena nya se wakwan anya ne hu ntokwa na okon se ba be sa akwan na ma wo. Da bi. Ena nya se bi ahoyehia na aba o mamu no. E hu ntokwa na okon se ma ahoyehia ne mrafo mo. Sa no kra de at least God for nya compensation. Aka say oh at least anya hwe kra no me MP akon on my behalf or on his own behalf. On his own behalf. And no coin. By the way, President John Dramani Mahama. Medika ka free bra you still see Ghana kunya kese so near 24 days. You do to can Ghana kunya. You have 1440 days to serve as president. And I count 1417 days. 16 days, yes. Na when Ghana for every year. Medika Canada said we all pray for your success because the danger ahead of us if say your administration fail Ghanaians and you die the Ghana. Tini empire bone say o man no ebedi o man benya gina pen papa e de gina so under your leadership. And if you see America yen best at 3,228. Nyame amfafie do mu nyina se ba o man mu nyese o ma wie enu akwa ko gika ba akokro at graphic online say see Donald Trump so man bi o so wonye ne microphone inform ko Guantanamo Bay enye be papa tim nyin say the president of Ghana beka say ye nye Ghana for inform ko dom ko honye baby papa so be nyina say do beba ye ne etu o man mu dada kra say be hu ne ho ano won de kwa am no ne no na ye adwuma de sika ba oman mu da bi maka to se unwie bi e wo ho no mu a e ya de papa because in fact sika ye nwan me wa mo no ne e de ba oman mu no e so chen sika ye kwaje ho bo se free IMF said that me ma en kontabuo no America and few other countries 2020-2023 remittances cost around $4 billion. IMF credit me amese can. Tienyan me wa mo no ne eka ho bi na a lot of families etimi o mena so gina. Yes aka bebre wiped out. Tinan me catch was ye mom pa me enwan obi tie obi catch am say e ho me bo mo mbra wo kotro bi krom na so se bra krom ma ei. Nyana ho go so sa onko bi ntino sabi em fike kasa asem fa nkyere ho konya ba na akobia beti ase another adesua esaba beto yeso sanyame afefe na se enwem nyina ye pie dodo na aba ye na wa akora ya setrem te sei omna na hwe ye o omo $10 $100 $200 no ena na kipi ye enom so ba be kan ye ho tina me ka se obi am presse President John Dramani Mahama will succeed. Ti ade bia be yo si akwanya ema ne succeed bia no entro kasa wo ye ndis ni tro wo be ka wano atom e be ka ho. Ma asem ne se me hu na de bi na me yam ya hyehye me. Eno na me ka cho se ye manyofo dodo na ensua de. Dodo na ensua de. Wo ya brabo mo hihia Ghana for nam so edeto abadodo na je ya ewo ye penifo no munya kwanya bi ebe serve ye so no e ka obi ne pempi abase samba na myemu ahase ehye me President Mahama na no so yin your first batch of ministers o kan sa asem kire omo arrogance and disrespect e ya dia so so but myem hyehye me essentially bi e ya daddy say wa hwe that will be one thing na e do aban beba from this will be na daddy de kire wo a oyo di for papa no kan sa asem kire Mr. President so be na kan sa asem kire say preach that arrogance and disrespect na dia oyo di for papa na so pai bo da bia because essentially bi ashase piepie arrogance jeni ahomaso ni a hand time e bi ashase man ho so I pray say your chief of staff or Julius Zebra betimi na esi form cause enya sa enkoye papa and also say nkrofobi after the comeback of Jomama and Endis they say it is the payback go say ho na be kira man for say yes you be life unhwe ne ye Mr. President sina na no wa kan no Moni ko saade no. Their competence, their performance, no, for now is not in doubt. Because already they took technocrats no hold more. They will advise them, then they'll pick up to go. But near hand time. No. Now me said that man ka sabi nua ohineba bu ababella o look say mobile 3 days in Pokre na mo yesi. Men cano in a vacuum. And this in pen for Johnson the Sidwin Ketia enim the Antiameka Assembly. I shall see a boba. Boba, you confirm me, Bebreo. Especially most of the CEOs now, you confirm will be out. But be I shall say sorrow. Unre. Why? We are buying penny ya body unu baby ya. So chief of staff already Julius Zebra. Wani na ho. Ne fa na isi form. Me hunu that former president ko for chief of staff yi. Ko jompi anim esuni bi omu. And one of his ministers catch was say board din Zebra. Osu Castor. E won se man pen na to safro but nipa di kam se so ye kwadwo mpianim ti me hunu saade ni bi e wo mu man ko ye friends and family oh we di me nipa no we na from kan asem nye eh wo be bo man form I wish Mr. Speaker will call their appointment committee members to order. Call their course when you are near him guasie. Na ya were wosem. Edmo my Ghana. Say MPs. There's a bubble say ritual na. Say every parliament be no say we come ho kakra ne say na mo school na mbo karat. Shame on to all of us. Here nyina ne magu ase. Oh my God, nyina ne magu ase. Because these are our members of parliament. This is a second arm of government. Omunto kwamponi dia. Me di Akwasi Nsia. Ele pense mutu aso. Asem Yi Di Ka.